From the bottom of the Layers panel, let's add a Hue Saturation Adjustment layer. Here in the Properties panel, let's adjust the hue and the saturation. Now to quickly reset these sliders, simply double-click on the name for the slider. And we can see these sliders have nicely reset to 0. Again from the bottom of the Layers panel, this time let's add a black and white adjustment layer. And notice the entry for cyans, by default, has a value of 60. So if I make a change, and then double-click cyans to reset this slider, it successfully resets to 60, but I just wanted you to see a reset will not always give you a value of something like 0 or 100. Now, as cool as this slider reset trick is, it won't always work. For example, here we have the layer opacity. It has a slider. I'm going to bring this down and then click away. However, if I double click on the word opacity, nothing happens. I hope that helps. Catch you later.